Hello, welcome to 2022. I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. I trust that you have had a great Christmas and New Year break and are now back looking at the challenges that are confronting accountants, your accounting team, and your clients as we enter what is likely to be another very challenging year in 2022. Falling behind or scaling up in 2022 is the title of this week's Accountants Minute. Let's look at some of the issues that are confronting accountancy firms as we enter this new calendar year. Over 70% of the accountancy profession are eyeing opportunities elsewhere, according to an Accountants Daily article written just before Christmas. Any employer who is not thinking about how to retain existing employees and attract new ones could fall behind, according to Dr. Jane Rennie, who is the General Manager, External Affairs at CPA Australia. We also decided to repeat an article we had published in Accountants Minute earlier in December, which quoted Andrew Geddes, an Australian accounting legend, about his thoughts on this very important issue of attracting capable accountants to work for accountancy firms and how you retain their services. Geddes said, the scaling up process should be implemented by partners and senior managers to assist in the development of younger accountants by giving them the opportunity to work with partners and senior managers as the partners and senior managers work directly with senior executives of client organizations so that the younger accountants can develop the skills that they need, can understand the role that is meant for the accountants to play in offering the all-important commercial advice to operators of small and medium-sized enterprises. This will help accounting firms with retention of team members and attracting new people to work in your accounting firms. So on one hand, we've got the CPA, General Manager, External Affairs, saying that accountancy firms need to develop new strategies and new services in this area. And Andrew Geddes has already given you the answer. When I asked Andrew Geddes whether, because of all the problems that accountants had encountered in the last 12 to 18 months through coronavirus, whether it was feasible that this sort of reaction of scaling up could be deferred for 6 months, I could sense Andrew might have been in the room next door to me rather than over 1,500 kilometers away, because he said, you've got to start now, this afternoon, because your greatest challenge at the moment is getting good people to work with. You've got to start now, this afternoon. The CommBank Accounting Market Pulse, which was released in May 2021, indicated that the accounting firms that they had surveyed, 95% of them were committed to introducing diversified services over the next 2-year period. When they were asked what are the top service lines that you're looking at in the survey, those firms emphatically identified business advisory services as the top service line. So what's all this mean to you and your firms? I think the packages that ESS BIZTOOLS is offering are practical, material that you can use virtually from day one. Although I'd prefer you to do the training course first. It'll take a couple of days or probably 8 or 9 hours to work your way through it. You could do that over a couple of weeks, but you could then start earning income by offering services that SMEs are looking for. They're not looking for rocket science. They're not looking for very advanced accounting formulas. All that they want you to play is the role that you would be playing if you were working for them full-time as an accountant or as a chief financial officer. They want someone they can talk to. They can run ideas past. You can do the calculations for them. They also want you to be offering a broader range of services, obviously, to act more as the company secretary and the head administrative officer of their firms. Some of them will have a very good person internally that does those roles, but many of them won't. They'll probably be looking for some assistance in preparing budgets and cash flow forecasts, perhaps looking to raise some capital utilizing crowdsourced funding, equity raising. I think the packages will assist your accounting team to have interesting and challenging work, which will assist with your team retention. Exactly what Dr. Jane Rennie is referring to and what Andrew Geddes is talking about, and will assist you to attract new team members. You will be offering value-added services, which your clients will appreciate, because many of your clients are sensing that 2022 could be a great year, but they will need assistance from a commercial accounting advisor, because that's what bigger businesses have. The CEOs don't do all of the work themselves. It's delegated around a team. And I really believe this is the real service that you can supply to your team, your accounting team, clients, and your team members in 2022. And your firm will benefit also because you will be offering a range of diversified services, not getting all of your income out of the annual accounts income tax return preparation bucket. It will be coming from other sources. So ESS BIZTOOLS has decided to continue our discount promotion to welcome 2022. We have a 55% discount on all of our packages, which is going to conclude on Monday, 17 January. So this is your opportunity to be able to subscribe to our outstanding range of products, which are the advanced package, which includes the 32 packages that we have produced so far. We're producing another 3, maybe 4 during 2022, but you get the 4. And if you are a subscriber, you will receive those 4 additional packages as they come online. That's if you're an advanced package subscriber. We also have the optimum package, which is basically the same as the advanced package, except it doesn't include 2 items. The first one is it doesn't include access to ESS BIZ grants, which is the grant finding package, nor does it give you a license to upload the ESS BIZTOOLS papers and other material to a secure section of your website. But if you're an advanced subscriber, you can do that. Many firms like to be able to do that to assist their clients. The starter package is the place to start if you're new to all of this and you're a very small firm. Don't go biting off a subscription to our advanced package, please, because we've found that it's too big at the very beginning if this is your first real venture into offering business advisory services. You can always add an additional package. If a client comes to you and wants to talk to you about research and development, we've got a package for that, but it's not part of the starter package, but we can supply it to you. We'll negotiate a fee for that, and we can add it to your license to use. The starter package includes 17 packages. That's more than enough to get you started with servicing your clients. And that package, the upfront discounted price is only $899, and it gets you started. So why not have a good look at our offering by going to the ESS BizTools upgraded, revamped website, www.essbiztools.com.au, so that you can have a look at the various packages, and hopefully, if you're so inclined, you will be able to complete the subscription so you can avail yourself of this fantastic 55% discount before it closes on 17 January. We look forward to being of service to you during 2022. If you have any questions, please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. Once again, Happy New Year. We look forward to being your commercial advisory service during this coming year, which I think will be very interesting, but also quite challenging for many of your clients. Stay safe and have a great day. Goodbye.